Very nice paint. That is the reflection off the floor, as you can see. Big V12 in this thing. Super clean interior, exterior, sunroof. Look at these windows. Look at the glass. Look how thick that is. When you pull this seat forward, look, automatically moves forward. See that? Put it back, automatically goes back in place. That's a Mercedes for you. Super clean interior. All the wheels are good. Paint's nice. Very nice leather. Just a mild wear and tear here. This can get colored in. If you prefer us to do that, let us know if you're a serious buyer. Odometer showing 97,308 miles. There you go, folks. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850, MGM Classic Cars.